Hello everyone! If you've made it this far, you know that completing the pledge is the first step that Fort Worth ISD juniors and seniors need to take to access Tarrant 2 and 3 scholarship opportunities and other supports. If this is your first time interacting with the T3 pledge, we encourage you to check out some of our other resources. The pledge will ask you to commit to a few things. Here they are. And remember, taking the pledge does not commit you to any particular pathway after high school. You will also share some information with us. Your interest in various careers, your interest in different career options after high school, your contact information. The primary way we will do that is through text messages, so be on the lookout for info from us after you take the pledge. Alright, now on to the pledge. We encourage you to open a new window in your browser and take the pledge alongside us.
To get to the pledge, you will visit pledge.t3partnership.org/65. When you first get to the pledge page, this is what it looks like. As you scroll down, it'll ask you for your year of graduation and the high school you attend. Part 1 of the pledge asks for your lunch number, first and last name, date of birth, and a personal email. When you type your name, please make sure to enter it exactly how it appears in focus. If you have 2 last names, include those. If there are spaces in your names, make sure that is included as well, or the pledge will not process and it will not allow you to complete it. Part 2 of the pledge looks like this. It'll show your first and last name, your lunch number, your personal email. If there are any boxes for you to check to confirm, that means that the information you entered did not match directly to what was in focus, and you will have to resubmit your pledge for it to process. As you scroll down, it'll ask you for your preferred name, whether you have a cell phone, your cell phone number, access to the internet, and if you have any children. Part 3 of the pledge asks you to confirm some statements. By checking these boxes, you confirm that you are adhering to the requirements of the T3 pledge. This is not binding, and should you choose to back out of this pledge, you have the ability to do so at a later time. Part 4 of the pledge asks for biographical information. You will enter your address, city, state, zip code, and the county. If you live in Fort Worth or Arlington, the county is Tarrant. As you continue to scroll down, it'll ask how you identify. Please indicate your ethnicity, your race, your gender, and the family members that you live with. Check all of the boxes that will apply. Once you've done this, it'll ask for parent information. Please enter the information that you have available. If your parent or guardian does not have an email address, it's okay to go ahead and enter yours so that you may proceed through the pledge. Part 5 of the pledge is college readiness. Check all the boxes that apply if you are a part of those programs. It will then ask you for your first, second, and third choice for career options. If you don't know, go ahead and check the I don't know box. It will then ask you for what your current plan is for after high school. If you plan to attend a 2 or 4 year school, go ahead and check the box of any of the universities that pop up that are applicable to you. It will then take you to the pledge ESignature page. Go ahead and check all of the boxes next to the statements and scroll down to the bottom to click Submit to eSign. It will then take you to this page. Please review your response and sign. It is just restating the statements that you checked boxes to. The next part following asks for your signature. On the line where it says please sign here, use your mouse or your finger if it's a touchscreen to write your name. It's okay if it looks like scribbles. This is going to be the best way for you to sign this pledge to make sure that it actually goes through. After signing your name, you will type your name into the box, your initials, and your email address. Once this has been completed, scroll to the bottom and click Submit eSigned Responses. It will then take you to this page that says T3 Partnership Pledge Confirmation. You know that it has been successful when there shows a date, a time, and a pledge ID number. If you scroll to the bottom on the left-hand side, click to finish. Press that button. You cannot submit your pledge unless you press that button and it successfully redirects you to this page. Congratulations! Now you've submitted your T3 pledge. Now meet with your Go Center advisor. We're here to help you with anything college, career, and military readiness. Good luck!